Hey everyone, so today we are going to walk you through how to link your bank account to InfinitePay.io account. So let's dive in. First, log into your InfinitePay.io account using your credentials such as username and password. After that, navigate to the settings section. You will usually find this in the menu at the top right corner of the dashboard. After that, select on payment methods and then add bank account. Enter your bank account details including the account number and routing number. After that, follow the verification steps provided by the InfinitePay.io. These may include confirming small deposits made to your bank account. Once verified, your bank account will be linked. Remember to keep your account information secure and never share your login details. And there you have it. You have successfully linked your bank account to InfinitePay.io. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more tutorials also and tech updates. See you next time.